Anyways, let's show you here. Hey YouTube, here I have the Testudio's puddle lights for the Cybertruck. I'll show you how they look. So here they is here. They all look pretty much the same when I looked at the two boxes. It doesn't. They don't quite say which one's left or right. I'll have to just put this in the same way and see. I'll just put in one and see what the right way is, and then kind of go from there. Okay, so apparently the way to get these out is you just use a screwdriver and just kind of tease these out. So, get the video here. Camera down, try to get this done here. Okay, so I just had to get the screwdriver kind of a little bit deep in here, and just kind of a little bit, you guys got to go a little bit deep here and just pull it out. It looks like it just comes out pretty easy like this. And we're gonna have to somehow get this out. I gotta kind of figure out how to get that out. So basically the way you get it out is, maybe make this a little bigger, is you just put this in here, the screwdriver in there, and just tease it out, and that's it. That's pretty much how you do it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this end and just basically hook it up to here, and then shove this whole thing back in. Now I just got to see which side actually points down and which what it actually shows. So I'll show that in just a minute. Okay. So here we go. This is what it looks like, Cybertruck here. So I think, yeah, you can see how it goes just by plugging it in. So now I'm just going to shove this back in there and pop this in and see how it goes. Okay, I'll put two hands. All right, here we go. That's the door open here. It's not very bright. Let's compare it to this back one here. So the Tesla one is a little bit brighter, but I do have a garage door open, so I may go down the side, put it on the side, and see what it looks like. I'm showing you guys how I do it. I'm just gonna get in the hole deep, pluck it out. I got one side. I go to. So that's it. This one's really tight. Ooh, this one may not come out, unfortunately. Okay, here we are. It's dark. Put it up in here. this here. They look pretty cool. They're not, again, they're not that bright. They don't give up that much light, but it's pretty clear. You can see the Cybertruck. So they work.